Pay attention, it slides, okay? Okay, so what we have here is the PV panels, okay? And there we have the engine that later on is going to make the island turn. It's like looking at the future and being part of the future also. Yeah, sure. We have to untie it. Don't forget it, okay? This is a TNO project and we were invited to participate on it. And the idea is to harvest the energy from the sun, and with an island that floats, has PV panels, and it's a test between several companies. The other two companies that are in this project, they are going to be building one starting next week because we are finishing ours, and the other one a little bit later, I don't know when, but I believe that during this month already. When sun starts the day, at the starting of the day, okay, it's sun shining, then it will do like this during all the day, until the end of the day that is going to be on that position over there, okay? So it's following the movement of the sun during the day. I'm very proud of it, yes, really. So the project is for a year, so it means that our island will be here standing and working and producing energy for a year. So I believe that our island is going to be placed more or less here, over here, in this area, okay? 5 meters from the pontoon to the right, okay? The winter is always challenging because of winds and because of waves. It's always challenging, always. Okay?
1, 2, 3.
To be sustainable, you have to be responsible. When you have, for example, a lake like this, if you don't spoil the lake himself, the life will continue on the lake, and you can share a big part of the water with the people and with the environment, but you can produce also energy. So I believe that there is a huge market on that situation. I believe that skill of this program is unique, and I believe that those programs are important. A project like this will allow the results to be shared, and more people will know that the floating solar exists. And so I believe that this is very, very important to happen, those projects. You know, it's an opportunity, and we have to take those opportunities to show the world that things can change and things are possible to do.